guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm making a vanilla cake with no sugar, no eggs and no dairy. And now you may be wondering, well, how are you gonna make a cake without all of these ingredients? And I can't wait to show you. This cake is for everyone out there that is trying to limit their sugar intake. And I know for a fact that there are a few of you, because I see you commenting on a few of my older videos saying like, well, I don't eat sugar, how should I substitute it, what should I do? Well, this is for you. To substitute sugar, I'm going to use erythritol. Erythritol is a sweetener with very low calories that also doesn't rise your blood sugar level, so it's perfect for everyone trying to limit their sugar intake. And also it has an excellent safety profile. Mix the sweetener with some lemon zest. Then pour in the vegetable oil, some plant-based milk of your choice, I'm using almond milk, and of course 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now that all the wet ingredients are mixed, start adding the all-purpose flour, the baking powder, and the cornstarch, which will add an extra touch of softness to the cake. If you don't have cornstarch, don't worry, you can totally substitute it with flour, or even better, instead of using all-purpose flour in this recipe, switch it up with cake flour. I sift the powders gradually. I mix the first half, and when there are no more clumps, I add the other half of the dry ingredients. The batter is ready when it's smooth and clump-free. I oil a 7-inch pan, and I also suggest covering it with parchment paper so that it's easy to take out the cake and also easy to clean. Watch out if you use a different size pan, the cake will have a different height and also different cooking time. Now bake it in the preheated oven at 340 Fahrenheit for about 50 minutes. And then let it cool down. You can decorate it however you like. The easiest way to decorate a cake for me is just simply sprinkling on top some powdered erythritol or icing sugar. The result is amazing. It's so soft and fluffy, and you can't even tell that there is no sugar in it. Try it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and thank you so much for watching. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I post new weekly recipes. Bye guys!